house. Still got my work clothes on. Okay, y'all, this is the next day, honey. Sorry. I did want to show y'all that we put these little solar lights in their yard. I think that's cute. Oh, I gotta go close the garage. My man got home. We built some stuff. This is, what is that? That is a shoe rack. And this, no, I think this is the coffee table, and that's the shoe rack that I'm gonna put right here on this wall. This all the trash from last night. It's a mess in here. Went to the store again. The first time I went to the store, I found these. And my plan was to put them on that wall right there going down. But then I found this tree. So I'm going to put the tree over there. I don't know where I'm going to put the mirrors. I might put the mirrors going down right there next to the tree. I don't know. Then I found this clock. Y'all, this is a big old clock. This is my hand. This is a big clock. I was at Walmart and they wanted $40 for a clock like about half this size. I go to Burlington's, $25. And it's like a bronze golden looking color. It's real cute. And so I decided I'm gonna put that in the bathroom on this wall instead of those pictures, because I felt like those pictures was too small anyway. It was like the wall was kind of swallowing them up. Have you ever been swallowed up? So I'm gonna use that instead. Also, last night I put some of the pillows in. So I got, this is 18 by 18 pillow covers. I had to put two 18 by 18 pillows inside of it for it to be this like fluffy, thick, fluffy and big, or it was gonna look like a crackhead pillow. So I didn't have enough for these, so I had to order more pillows, and then pillow inserts. And then for these, I end up putting these pillows inside, but it's still some room in here. Like, it's not like all the way full, because I think those is maybe smaller, like 16. I don't know, but I know they not filling it up, but it fill it up enough. So we're just gonna rock out. When I went to the store, I also got a planter to put this nice little tree in. That is a cute tree, right? Okay, then last night put the dining room table together, the chairs, the rug. I found this plant at Burlington. I got this little saucer from Walmart. This is stuff to go on that wall. Then I changed out the stuffing or whatever, the filling that was in this thing, and I switched it out so it can match better, because it did have like the silver and the blue stuff that was in there from the old house. We had like a blue, navy blue type of thing going on. So I did switch that out. This mirror I'm gonna move to the other room and put on top, like above where I'm gonna have the shoe rack. This is the wallpaper that I'm gonna put right here. We moved the TV already. We are gonna get the TV mounted in a couple days. So we're gonna do that. Still put the curtains up. What else we put together last night? I think that's the only thing we got done, y'all, because these chairs gave me a hard time. Where's the dog at? Cindy! I think that's all we did last night. Yeah, so I think I'm going to start over here and do the canvases first. First, I'm gonna go get out my work clothes, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go get comfy, tie my hair up, get work clothes off. And yes, my wig is lifting, but that's not your business. I'll probably give me something to drink, chill for a second, and then we'll get back started. My lace lifting. Don't look at that. Is that all I bought today? Oh, I bought something else. So in the bathroom, I did switch that out. I had that other plant, but I bought this one. I feel like it goes better. Yeah, I like that. And I think that's all I bought today. I ain't buying nothing else for real. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done tonight. I really want to finish it up. We're just waiting. We're waiting for I'm just waiting for, I think, 2 more things to come. I know we went on living room rug. Oh, the wallpaper to finish the bathroom, and the pillows for the other pillow inserts, and then that's everything. We're done. That's supposed to come tomorrow, and we'll be done. So yeah, I'm about to go change. Look at her. Okay, so this is the final, I guess not the final, because we'll still have to do this room eventually, but this is where we at. So we added the curtains, the runner, table runner. We built the shoe cabinet, and I left this basket for like umbrellas or whatever. I got the shoes inside. There's that. Then you walk into the living room. Oh, I should have put that mop bucket up, but ignore that. So we got the table built. These are the paintings, and we got the lights at the top. It's the table. I'll put the wallpaper back there. And here's the curtains. Hold on, the lighting. Okay. We got the tree over there. This is a fan. It's hot in here. Okay, got the dining room table. We hung these pictures up. I changed the flowers in that little vase. Got this little sign right here. Real cute. Got the kitchen mats. I hung this picture up also. And I think that's all. I didn't do anything in the laundry room, washing clothes. Didn't do nothing in the pantry. But this kind of like the final little walk through. I still want to find something to go on this wall, but I haven't really been finding nothing that's big or that don't cost a ridiculous amount of money. Oh, the bathroom. About to show y'all. Okay, this is the finished bathroom. As you can see, I ordered one more roll of wallpaper. It literally did this down and stop right there, and I wasn't paying $10 for another roll to do that. So that's just how it is. We got the clock, trash can, and then instead these was the pictures that I was gonna hang where the clock is, but I felt like the wall was too big, so I feel like they look good right here. Got sanitizer, soap, and we got the extra stuff in here: trash bags, feminine products, wipes, tissue, air freshener. And then I put that plant up there. And that's it.